Hello guys, this is my part 4 of my doing of my house, but it's only come from part 3, but I will show my friend's house, okay? This is my friend's house. Look, I can only see from the window. Can't you see my friend's house? Do you have a friend? Comment down below to my video, okay? If you have a friend, comment yes. If you have no friends, comment no. Okay? This is my ignore that. Just ignore that. Okay? And this is me in the dark. I'm afraid of dark, but my fear is heights. And I have a window. Hello. I can see myself. A window. I mean a mirror. I mean not window, okay. And this is my father, very busy, and my dog is sleeping and some chickens. And he's very busy at working, and my tita to is busy. And this is my bag. If we are classmates here, you'll see. This is my house, but at the top, oh, I have some things that my mom have to do, and I have Lego. This is the weirdest one. And I have bunch of toys, and what was that? And my mom is doing something, but I don't know, guys. But let's go outside to see the whole nature thing. The whole nature thing. The whole nature. If you see nature in your whole life, comment down below the video. Okay? The video. See? Can't you see the whole my outside thing? And my dog. Hello? I'm outside, see? And if you cannot see, I have some chickies. And be careful of the tree. And my cats are afraid of me. See? Can't you see that? And cats. Patty. Fur. Snowy. That's kind of cringe names. I'm afraid of heights. Okay, I'm scared. But I'm a little scared though. Comment down below. What is your house? Full house. If you have the YouTube channel, just make a video about your house, okay? See ya. This is my part 4 of my house, and if you have some things that your favorite from your house, comment down below.
What's your favorite?
Bye.